Looking for faster hair growth? Add these ingredients to your regular shampoo. The solution to your hair growth problems is in simply adding these natural ingredients into your regular shampoo. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, and we are here to promote your health and your hygiene. If you want to get better at it, then be sure to hit subscribe, like the video, and leave any questions you have below in the comments. Today's video is all about how to make herbal shampoo for thick hair growth. First ingredient is essential oils. Lavender, rosemary, peppermint, and tea tree oils are well-known essential oils that have multiple benefits for your hair. Follow the steps. Add 3 to 4 drops of an essential oil of your choice to your regular shampoo. Mix it well and apply it like a normal shampoo. Wash your hair and repeat the process every 2 to 3 days to promote hair growth. Their benefits include treating scalp conditions, reducing hair damage, and increasing blood flow into hair follicles, thus promoting hair growth. Second ingredient is olive and castor oil. Olive oil and castor oil are well known among the hair care community, as they are the best natural ingredients that can do wonders for your hair. Follow the steps. Add 1 spoon of olive or castor oil into your shampoo. Stir well. Use it as a shampoo to your hair. The growth ingredients in these oils help to promote smooth and strong strands, reduce hair fall, and strengthen your hair to grow naturally. Okay, so quick question. What do you think about this hair shampoo? Leave me a comment and let me know. Third ingredient is onion, lemon, and aloe vera juice. There are a number of ingredients available at home that promote hair growth, such as onion, aloe vera, and lemon. Onion, 1 tablespoon, for instance, provides sulfur, which supports strong and thick hair and prevents hair loss. Lemon, ½ tablespoon, is rich in vitamin C and soluble fiber, which contain antifungal and antimicrobial properties, helping to reduce scalp infection and giving the hair a deeper cleanse. Aloe vera, 1 tablespoon, keeps strands moisturized, hydrated, eliminates dandruff, accelerates hair growth, and promotes shine. Follow the steps. Mix the juice of the ingredient of your choice with the shampoo, shake it well and apply it to your scalp. Give a massage to your hair and then wash it off. Try these additions to your shampoo to see what works best for your hair and get ready to receive the benefits of the natural ingredients. This shampoo for your hair better result in the first week of use. You get longer and get thicker hair and permanent hair loss, and get rid of and promote hair growth on bald areas. I hope this video helped you to how to make herbal shampoo for thick hair growth. If it did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and then be sure to subscribe for more. And I'm always looking to make more of what you want to see. So leave a comment below and let me know what video I should do next. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.